second annual Brooklyn Musical. If you have a glass, raise it up. Woo! To all of us for being here and being brave. Yeah. And being festive. Cheers. Great. First up is Alana and Zane. I think they have their own introduction, but they're very brave and they're going first. Woo! In honor of little Gabby.
Yes.
All right, you guys, we're ready for you. We'd like to welcome Gabby to the world. In case you didn't meet him yet. This is Gabby. This is Gabby. Woo!
I've been here 2 weeks.
Well, you might not know me as who I am today. I was young. Let's just start over.
Yeah, start over. We've only practiced alone.
Okay, fine. Well, you might not know me as who I am today. I was Yenta the placenta, but now I'm Baby Gabe.
You can call me Gabby or Gabriel Stein. You can call me on my iPhone because I charge it all the time.
Now, I am a baby and a really cool boy. I use my mama's titty as my favorite toy.
At night, we chill in the day. I have some aunties who are really, really gay.
But it wasn't that way, not always that way. Mommy, Poppy, and the babe.
Yelly Raven. Yeah, we're going.
Okay, well, no clapping yet.
Long time ago, a far time away. Okay, let's be real. It was 18 days.
My Poppy told my mommy a killing joke, and she laughed until her water broke.
Get the towel, get the cussy. The baby's on its way. If they only knew, it'd be another 2 days.
So they were outside yelling, "Come on, Yenta," but I was inside spinning the placenta.
She tried all the dope with the doctor's direction. Mommy said, "Gabby, I miss you. Let's C-section." C-section.
Well, C-section, I was brought into the world, and I flew around the room via the umbilical cord.
Well, things are real different now, chickens and my dog. I got real things with my Hobby Gobby blog.
So this is it, folks. It's time for my nap, and after that I'll take a poop and play my baby app. Wiki wah, wiki wah, wiki wah, wiki